Presenting the 2015 Jeep Cherokee. It's powered by four-wheel drive, six-cylinder engine, and an automatic transmission. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. The features include a panoramic sunroof, front and rear towing, alloy rims, an alarm system, roof rails, keyless entry, independent suspension, brake assist, traction control, stability control. Inside you'll find leather seats, heated seats, Bluetooth connectivity, Sirius XM satellite radio, an auxiliary input, remote start, steering wheel controls, a premium sound system, a backup camera, curtain head airbags. Great quality at a great price. Call or click to contact us today.
Best price, best selection, best service.
At Friendship, we're dealing.